welcome back to Danish Tube. In this video we're going to take a look at the difference between can and må. Let's do it. Danish Tube. So this is really simple. Basically can is when you are able to do something, and må is when you have permission to do something. So it's the same as English, can you do it or may you do it. Can and må. But they often get a little mixed, and I think it's because in English you may often ask for permission using can, which probably is technically wrong, but people kind of do it. They say like, hey, can I sit here? When maybe they should say, may I sit here? At least I've heard it. And you can probably get away with it in English, because in general English is a more fluent language in the sense that it's more flexible, I guess. I don't know if it's because it's a bigger language spoken by so many different nationalities with so many different accents that you can almost freestyle a little bit. But in Danish you pretty much cannot. It sounds weird, right? If you say, can jeg sidde her? You need to ask, må jeg sidde her? Må jeg sidde her? And that's basically it. Are you asking for permission, or are you actually able to do something? So in some cases it could be one or the other, you know. But you know, you can ask, may I sit here? Må jeg sidde her? You're asking for permission. If you asked, kan jeg sidde her? You're really asking, is it possible for me to sit here? As in like, maybe there's been a problem with the chair, or maybe it's gonna break if you sit in here like, can jeg sidde her? Is it possible for me, or is it just gonna break? So that's basically it. If you want to learn more about this, practice with some tasks, go over to danishtube.com, where I've made some beautiful exercises where you can practice using can and må. Vi ses i den næste video. Hej hej. Danish Tube.